lang kanina umaga.
Did you open present before? Oh, is that? What is that? What is that?
Wow! It's from Tita Lelen. Baka masira.
Chicken. It's a duck. Parang duck.
Dance na muna chicken banana.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa present niya eh.
Masabi.
Oh, you give bill.
Wow!
You get a battery again. Oh. Nagsasalita din yan.
Pares lang kayo. Nagsasalita lahat.
Ano ba kaya? Duck.
Duck yan.
No, baby. No.
Wow! It's like a magic.
You like that?
Daddy, see, bring it here. Bring it here.
Say thank you to Lola.
Bring that one. Bring that one. Bring that. Bring that.
Mag-iitlog na duck.
Okay, look. Can you look?
I'm gonna be a bird.
Look, you ready? Okay, let's close it. Ready? Close it. Yeah, wave your magic wand. Wave your magic wand.
Hindi kasi kasama sa Sibutay.
Hindi ka naman nagsabi na sasama ka eh. Wala ka eh. Lagi ka wala eh.
Wait.
Hindi. Kung gusto mo sumama, book ka na namin.
Wala nang battery.
Ano ba yung
Daming present. Tinatamad na siya mag-open. From Tito B.
Sorry. You Tito B.
Puro Barbie. Puro kasi Barbie yung inano niya eh.
I like you.
You like that?
Look. You classmate.
Ay,
No.
Thank you, Brayden.
Brayden.
Thank you, Brayden.
Sabi niya kasi, what do you want? Barbie. Kaya nakuha niya lahat. Puro Barbie. Clothes dapat. Pero ang dami mong Barbie, B. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Puro Barbie.
Not the Barbies.
Yeah, you have... Yan, kakasya kay Kendall. Pang 2 years old. Tingnan mo yung mga cellulite neto. Pang 6 years old to eh.
Anak ng ano neto?
Di yan kasya.
4 years old.
Oo. Pero ito pang 6 years old na yung mga damit neto eh. Panty na lang niya yan.
Toto 4 years old.
Ito 4 years old. Okay, fine. Ibibuild sa kanya ng daddy niya yan. Present na yan. Daddy will build it for you. And then may mga Barbie siya dyan. Yun na lang ilalagay niya.
Thank you, A1.
What?
Thank you, A1.
Ah, sige lang. Look, is Brayden. Nandito na pala ang pansol.
Bagong